big setback to the Central Security Forces. Two CRPF Jawans were killed when alleged terrorists, alleged militants blasted off their camp in Manipur's Bishnupur area. What exactly happened? Post midnight, between 12:30 and 2 o'clock, suddenly at the IRB camp, which is the Reserve Battalion camp in Manipur, in Bishnupur area, they saw sudden firing from the hillside. This camp is located about 2 kilometers from the unofficial border between the valley and the hill areas, which has started in Manipur ever since strife between the Kukis and the Meiteis began. So this camp was about 2 kilometers from that border area. It saw firing from the hilltop area. Firing went on for 2 hours. The suspicion is that from the Naran Sena Hills area, they were firing, and then subsequently some kind of a crude bomb was exploded by these alleged terrorists. This led to 2 people losing their lives right there. Sub-Inspector S.N. Sarkar, who's from Assam's Barapeta, and also Havaldar Arup Saini, who's from West Bengal. They succumbed to their injuries right there. 2 other CRPF Jawans got splinter injuries, and they were immediately evacuated for medical attention. As per eyewitnesses, they were using something called a pumpy gun. This seems to be like a crude form of arm that was used by these alleged militants. When we spoke to senior authorities in Manipur, they are suspicious that Kuki groups, Kuki band militant outfits could be behind this. And why would they target CRPF? The suspicion seems to be that the Kukis are now trying to sabotage central forces and central properties. So the national highway, the towers, the infrastructural towers related to mobile or electricity, which are central government properties, and even central forces. All of them seem to be under attack from Kuki groups right now. That's the suspicion of the authorities in Manipur, and they have launched an investigation. But the worry is, the practical difficulty is that, like I said, it's about 2 kilometers from the hill area. In the hill area where these Kuki groups are dominating, Manipur authorities say it is difficult to go and launch an investigation properly, go there and carry out ground level probe there. So that's a difficulty. But in any case, a probe has been launched. What we are told is that after the firing happened, about 40 to 50 personnel from CRPF and from the IRB who were at the camp at that moment retaliated. There was retaliatory fire from their side also. And the suspicion is, again quoting Manipur authorities, we can tell you that their suspicion is that these were 4 to 5 alleged militants who were firing and exploding these crude bombs. They also took, in the retaliatory fire, they also got injured. So right now what they're looking for is some kind of material evidence from the ground, if there are blood stains or any form which gives them idea as to who these people were. They suspect that there could have been, some kind of a retribution on the side of the alleged terrorists also. But till the time a body is recovered, they can't really say whether there was any casualty on the other side. But what is worrying is the way the central forces are getting attacked in this entire situation that is developing in Manipur. Elections have gone on. The elections have been conducted. I think as per ECI, the elections were without many incidents as was being suspected. So the democratic process has been completed, and immediately after that, for such an incident to happen, for this kind of a firing to happen, is definitely of worry both to the state and the central authorities.